Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how much I made on YouTube for 30,000 views in just 1 month. I actually made a video like this just last month where I showed you guys how much I made on YouTube in my first month being monetized. And to save you the 10 minutes and 8 seconds of that video, I made a total of $109 from YouTube ad revenue, and I also made about $9 from other affiliate sources. And when you compare last month's earnings to this month's earnings, you are going to see a drastic difference. I made a lot more money this month than I did last month. And the reason for that is because I actually had a video go semi-viral for this channel. I made a video titled, "I sold candy at school for 1 week," and this video raked in about 10,000 views in just a matter of weeks. This is the most views I have ever gotten on a video in the history of this channel, and I have an idea of why this video is doing so well. As you guys probably know, there are a lot of candy selling videos on YouTube. Some of them get a lot of views and others barely get any attention. Now, the reason why my candy selling video did so well is because I actually documented the process of me selling candy at school. I took people with me every single day for an entire week and I showed them me selling candy at school, and I documented how much money I made every single day. I have never seen another video on YouTube like that. For the most part, when you see a candy selling video on YouTube, it's just a kid sitting in his room with a bunch of candy and money talking about selling candy at school. You never see that kid actually take the camera with him or her to school and film the process. My point isn't that if you want to get a lot of views and attention on YouTube, you should film videos of you selling candy. But it is, if you want to get a lot of views and subscribers on YouTube, you need to be making content that is different from what everyone else is doing. Something about your content has to be unique, or else people will have no reason to watch your channel. For example, with this candy selling video I made that got a lot of views, I took an already popular genre of selling candy at school and I put my own spin on the video by showing how much money I made in a week, and I documented every single day during that week. Now that you guys know why I got more money and views this month than I did last month, I'm going to go ahead and hop on my YouTube analytics, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how much money I made from Google ad revenue in the month of October, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how much some of my top earning videos made in the month of October. Alright everyone, so as you can see, we are here in my YouTube analytics now, and in the month of October, we got a total of 31.1k views. We got a little bit over 120,000 watch minutes, and we also gained about 500 subscribers in just 1 month. Those numbers are absolutely crazy, guys. I have never gotten so many views and gained so many subscribers in just 1 month, so thank you guys so much who are new and who have continuously been supporting the channel. It means so much to me. And also, we got a total of $199.80 in revenue throughout the month of October, which is also absolutely crazy. You guys can see here that in the beginning of the month of October, we weren't getting a ton of revenue coming in. We were earning maybe like $3, $4 every single day. But as the month progressed, the ad revenue kept on climbing, and we were up to like $5, $6 a day even. And then at the end of the month, that's when everything exploded. We were earning like $13, $18 every single day. And again, that was because I released this video, I sold candy at school, and this video ended up getting recommended on YouTube's homepage, and the revenue just went insane from there. Just to show you guys how much our YouTube numbers changed from the month of September, I'm going to go to my YouTube analytics for September. And in the month of September, as you guys can see, we got a total of 15.1k views. We got a little bit over 50,000 watch minutes, and we also earned about $109.27, which Those numbers aren't bad at all, but our numbers from October are about twice as high as this. Our numbers doubled from one month to the next, which is crazy, and most of that is due to just one video, which is I sold candy at school for 1 week. It just takes one video for your channel to start getting more and more momentum. It's like a snowball effect. Once you get one video to get a lot of views, the rest of your videos will start getting more and more traction, and your channel will start earning more money and getting more views. Alright everyone, so now that I've told you how much money I made during the month of October in YouTube ad revenue, I'm going to show you guys how much some of my top earning videos made in the month of October. And to see this, we're going to go over to this revenue tab on the YouTube analytics, and bam, now we have all of the information we need. And to see our top earning videos, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see that our 3 most top earning videos were I sold candy at school for 1 week, selling candy in front of the movie theater, and why I am quitting my vending machine business. Now, all of these videos made about $10 to $40, which is very good for me. I usually don't earn that much on a video I release. The video I sold candy at school for 1 week made about $39.06 in the month of October, and that was on about 8,200 views. The first day this video released, it made a total of $3.48, which is pretty good for me. Usually on the first day a video releases, I make between $2 and $3, so this video definitely made a little bit more than average, but nothing crazy for me. I wouldn't be surprised to see if a video made about that much on the first day it released. And then after that, it dipped down, which again is pretty normal for a video. It was making like between 80 and 90 cents every single day. And then when the YouTube algorithm started picking this video up, it began making more and more money since it was getting more views. It had days as high as like $4, and that was more than the video made when it first released. And the highest day for this video in the month of October was about $9.10 in a single day, which is very, very good for this channel. We only have like 2,800 subscribers, so making that much from just one video in one day is really, really good. Next, the video selling candy in front of the movie theater earned me a total of $12.84 in the month of October. This video was kind of a weird one for me since I released it back in June of 2019. This video didn't get a whole lot of traction when it first came out, but in the month of October, for some reason, it got a decent amount of views. I think it got like 2,000 or 3,000 views in the month of October, which is absolutely crazy. I think it's because it's a similar topic to my selling candy at school video. This video probably got recommended on that video, which is pretty cool. It's kind of cool to see how just one video can get all of your other videos views as well. So once again, this video earned me about $12.84 in the month of October. In the beginning of the month, it wasn't getting a whole lot of traction. It was only earning like 13 to 15 cents every single day. But as the month went on, this video began picking up traction. It started earning like 30 cents up to $1. And then towards the end of the month, it had days as high as $2.10, which is really, really good for a video that is 4.5 months old. Finally, my video why I am quitting my vending machine business got a total of $9.80 in revenue throughout the month of October. On the first day it was released, it earned about $2.28, which is pretty average for me. And then after that, it dipped down to about $1.55 to 80 cents to about 60 cents. And then from there, it kind of stabilized. But nonetheless, this video earned me $9.80 in the month of October, which is really, really good for this channel. I want you guys to know that YouTube ad revenue isn't the only way I am making money from this YouTube channel. I also do a little bit of affiliate marketing, and I sell Financial Wolf merchandise to my subscribers, like what I am wearing right now. With affiliate marketing, I earned about $54.50 during the month of October. I promote this cell phone repair course, and during the month of October, I got one course sale. The course sells for $500 $500 or 5 payments of $109. And the one course sale I did bring in, the person is paying 5 payments of $109. So after everything is said and done, I will be making $54.50 on this course because my commission is 10%. Next, I also earned about $20 in profit selling Financial Wolf merchandise. I got 2 shirt sales throughout the month of October, so I made $10 in profit per shirt I sold. I usually only make $5 per shirt I sell, but my shirt supplier hooked me up with a little extra profit per shirt since it was my first month working with him. If you guys do want to get a Financial Wolf shirt like the one I am wearing right now, the link will be in the description for you guys to check out. So everyone, in total, I made $274.30 from YouTube in the month of October, which is absolutely crazy. I have never made that much from my YouTube channel in a given month. So thank you so much for the support. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And in reality, it really isn't all about the money. I enjoy making YouTube videos. I can make a ton more money from other business models, but I choose to spend a lot of my time making these videos because I love the community I built on this platform and I enjoy helping all of you guys make some more cash. With that all being said, I think that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel if you have not already. We're trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year, guys. So let's get there. And thank you guys so much if you made it to the end. And peace out.